Hello to all the Level 4 employment students. Once again, my name's Darren, and on behalf of Kathy, Matthew and Nick, give you the information for week 13. Firstly, the business benchmark unit is unit 10, financing a startup. Lots of great vocabulary there for starting a business, so check that out. Last week on Friday, there was a review of Unit 9, so the answers to Unit 9, so you can mark, self-check your answers. Also, there is additional activity, just one activity, listening practice. It's from a YouTube video, so please watch that, complete the questions, and share or turn in, submit to your teacher. So there's some help to practice for the listening assessment, which is coming up in week 13. So a little more about that, but as you know, hopefully already, it'll be at your site. Okay. Speaking presentation should be finished by now, but again, just get that submitted, and please name the file with your name and ID number and share it to your teacher. Done Speak Online, units 13 and 14, so keep working through those too. And the next assessment we'll be working on over the next few weeks is the research writing, okay, the research essay. So this week we've got the task again posted, and some help, some formative work which your teacher will help you with, and we've got some more listening practice as well. So we'll be conducting those during the meet with your class, so really important to come along to the meet and to help prepare. So the listening assessment is going to be conducted at each site. We will be following exam conditions. As part of our requirements to deliver the course, we must adhere to these exam condition policies. Of course, COVID-19 has just turned everything on its head this year, so we will be following the guidelines to make sure everybody is safe and keeping their distance. So when you arrive at the site, just ask you to be on time or a bit early, because each student will need to log in to the site. We need to bring your ID card and register, basically. So at the sites, there will only be 2 classes maximum happening at any one day, and everything will be cleaned afterwards, of course, and beforehand. But there'll be limited numbers of staff and students there. Okay, so we'll be able to keep our distance, no trouble. All the shared or communal or other areas will be closed, such as any library or kitchen areas or things like that. So we would ask you to bring a pen, your ID card, a water bottle, so we don't need to share cups or things like that. Bring a snack, and optional paper dictionary to help in the exam. Of course, we have dictionaries to use, but you can bring a monolingual one. We only have the English dictionaries, okay? And then we'll go through and complete the assessment in the class. It's probably going to just take a couple of hours, okay? So again, just allow 2.5 hours to get that completed, okay? The speaking presentation should be pretty much finished now, so please submit that. As I mentioned, name the file with your name and ID number. If you're having any trouble, talk to your teacher to find a solution to that. We wanted the presentation to be completed is because the next task we're looking at is the research essay for writing. The task is in this week's folder as well as last week's. There's also the video I posted last week just explaining the task a little bit. we've got some more work posted here, which we'll do during the meets as well. Again, just about structuring the essay and the introduction. Okay, but again, discuss it with your teacher. They all have best information for you because it's quite a broad topic. So just to help you define exactly what you need to do for that. Okay. In this week's folder, we have a couple of listening activities. You only have the answer sheets. Your teacher will have the audio to play during the meets. Okay. One is about the 4-day week, very topical these days. And the other one is about the computer game industry in New Zealand. So join your meets and we will conduct the listening there. Again, we're trying to encourage you to listen and take notes and then use your notes to answer the questions. Okay, it's not like a IELTS exam where you've got a question and a little bit of listening and then it goes down the recording like that. No, it's a bit more broad questions. Okay, so just want to get you in the habit. All right. And a final mention to say thank you for your commitment to the course. Everything has been unexpected this year and completely different to what we would usually do. However, for me personally and for the students, I'm sure you've learned a lot of new skills, such as the presentation or the slides or working remotely. So, in many ways, it's been quite a benefit to learn these different skill set. Okay. We're up to week 13 of our 18-week course. So we're into the last 6 weeks, the final third. So yeah, just stick with it. We expect to finish on July 3. And just a note also, a public holiday on Monday, Queen's birthday is Monday, June the 1st. So next Monday, okay? You will have some time off, hopefully from your job and from school, and you can do some early winter fun maybe. Okay, well that's all I have. So yeah, really important to join your meet, your teacher, and attend the listening assessment at your site. Thank you.